Hello guys, welcome to Africa Brand Digital Agency. My name is Ridwan. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can install WordPress directly from your cPanel. Now the first thing is you log into your cPanel from your hosting account. Now this is our cPanel dashboard. Now the first thing we are going to open a section called Softaculous App Installer. This cPanel dashboard from Namecheap. Every dashboard have these features, so just click on the Softaculous App Installer. Now from this section you will see a lot of open source software you can use, but our WordPress fall under blogging. Now from there you will see WordPress. Just click on install. So when you click on install, it will show you to choose the domain and the directory where you want to install your WordPress. Now from here you have to choose the protocol. Now the protocol have 4 different prototype. Now what I'll be selecting here is HTTPS. We have HTTP, we have HTTPS, we have HTTP, www. It depends on your domain directory, and if you already install SSL certificate, it will come out as HTTPS. Now I have to choose the domain I want to install. I have to choose from a lot of domain from my end here. I will choose the domain that you want to install the WordPress. Now I've selected the WordPress domain I want to install. The next thing here you will do is your site name. From your site name here, okay, I can say Readmark Solar. For this site, it depends on Solar. The site is a Solar website. The work they are doing is Solar, and in fact just post something Solar, the description of this site. Now the next thing here is admin account. So you have to choose the username and password for the admin backend, your dashboard backend. So I have to choose admin as username. If you can choose your own personal password here, but I'll be choosing this one. So I just make sure you copy it and keep it somewhere. Now this is where you have to put your admin email address. So I'll just put my email address here. Now I scroll down, you see advanced option. Just leave this section. Also themes, if you like, you can choose your themes from this section, but if you don't like, after you log into the dashboard, you can still continue with your installing your themes. Then click on install. Now it's telling me that there is some WordPress file inside this site, but just don't worry, you can overwrite and click install again. So it will just take a few minutes, then you will be done successfully. If you are seeing this message, congratulations, the software was installed successfully. This means that you have successfully installed WordPress on your website. So the next thing here is we can check the website. So just open it. Now the WordPress has been installed successfully. Now what we need to do now is to log into the dashboard. Now if you want to log into your WordPress dashboard, you have to put your domain /wp-admin. This is what you have to add. Then it will ask you to input your username and password. Remember, when we are setting up the WordPress, it tells us to choose admin account, where we choose our username and password. This is what I choose, and then I put the password. By now we have successfully installed WordPress on our domain. So this is how you can install WordPress directly from your cPanel. So if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to our channel and click bell notification icon so as to get updates anytime we release new video. Thank you.